Hey everyone! Did you know that cargo e-bikes are quickly becoming one of the most popular ways to travel with pets, offering freedom, comfort, and eco-friendly fun all in one ride? Whether it's a weekend trip to the park or a daily commute with your furry co-pilot, these e-bike cargo accessories make pet transport safer and way more enjoyable. So, if you've ever wondered which setup gives your pet the smoothest, most secure ride, stay tuned. All the links are in the description. Do check them out. Let's get started. On number 6, VEVOR Bike Cargo Trailer. Now here's a real beast, the VEVOR Bike Cargo Trailer. With its massive 275-pound load, capacity, and carbon steel frame, this one's built for serious haulers. It's the go-to option for riders who want to carry everything from groceries to pet crates without breaking a sweat. The 20-inch wheels keep it stable, and the foldable design means it's surprisingly easy to store. But compared to lighter trailers like the Burly Travoy, it's definitely heavier and less maneuverable. Where the Travoy wins on compactness and portability, the VEVOR dominates in raw strength and value. For anyone who prioritizes durability and heavy-duty performance over sleek looks, this trailer delivers big time. Imagine cruising with your pet, safely tucked in a cozy crate behind you. That's what the VEVOR makes possible. What do you think? Is bigger always better when it comes to cargo? Let me know in the comments. On number 5, Bike Basket Rear, Folding Large Capacity Basket. If you prefer something more compact, the Bike Basket Rear is an absolute game changer for e-bike riders who value flexibility. It's lightweight, foldable, and still holds up to 35 liters of cargo. Perfect for small pets, groceries, or a quick shopping trip. What really stands out is its collapsible design and waterproof cover, offering functionality without the bulk. Compared to the VEVOR, this one trades brute strength for everyday practicality. You won't haul 200 pounds here, but you'll definitely appreciate the easy setup and sleek, low-profile storage. And unlike older wire baskets that rattle and rust, this one stays quiet and stable even on rough rides. It's not ideal for larger pets, but for smaller companions who just need a cozy ride, it's perfect. So, are you more about compact convenience or maximum load power? Drop your thoughts below. On number 4, Heavy-Duty Rear Cargo Basket for Bikes and E-bikes. This next one steps up the game for serious e-bike riders. The Heavy-Duty Rear Cargo Basket. It's built for strength and stability, capable of holding around 45 pounds with zero wobble. Its fixed steel mesh design ensures no rattling or flexing, even when loaded with groceries, gear, or a pet carrier. It's the perfect balance of power and protection, especially with its included waterproof liner and cargo net. Compared to the foldable baskets, it doesn't collapse, meaning you'll always have that sturdy structure ready to go. However, it's bulkier when empty. When stacked against the previous models, this basket outshines them in durability, but loses a few points for flexibility. It's basically the install once and forget option, ideal for heavy-duty commuters and those who value rock-solid reliability. So, which would you pick? Foldable freedom or fixed strength? Tell me what suits your ride best. On number 3, Heavy-Duty Large E-Bike Basket Rear, Foldable Steel Design. Now, if you're torn between permanent stability and space-saving practicality, the Heavy-Duty Large E-Bike Basket Rear hits that sweet spot. It's made from thick, anti-rust steel, but folds flat when you're done using it. an incredible blend of toughness and convenience. Supporting up to 55 pounds, it includes a waterproof Oxford liner and a cargo net, ensuring everything, including your pet's cozy cushion, stays secure and dry. Compared to the rigid rear basket, it's more versatile while still maintaining impressive durability. Yes, it's a bit heavier than plastic alternatives, but that's the trade-off for its reliability. If you need something that can take on the rigors of city commutes, long hauls, and occasional pet rides, this is the one to beat. Imagine hauling groceries one day and your furry friend the next, all without removing it. Now that's versatility worth riding for. On number 2, K and H Pet Products Bike Basket Front Dog Carrier, moving to something more specialized. The K and H Front Dog Carrier is tailor-made for pet lovers. Designed for small to medium pets up to 20 pounds, it gives you constant visual contact with your furry companion right up front. It's equipped with dual safety leashes, a washable fleece liner, and a quick-release mounting bracket, all focused on pet comfort and rider confidence. Compared to the heavy cargo baskets, this one's all about companionship and safety. However, keep in mind that mounting extra weight on the handlebars can slightly affect steering, especially at lower speeds. Still, with superior build quality and thoughtful safety design, it easily outshines many rivals like the pet-safe wicker basket. If you love interactive rides with your pet, this front basket delivers an unbeatable mix of comfort and control. Would you trust your pet up front for the ride? Let me know. On number 1, Xixter Dog Basket for Bike, 4-in-1 Pet Carrier. Finally, the Xixter Dog Basket earns the top spot. And for good reason. This 4-in-1 carrier transforms from a bike basket to a shoulder bag, crossbody, or even a car seat. It's perfect for pet owners who are always on the move. Built from durable Oxford fabric with mesh ventilation on all sides, it ensures your pet stays cool, comfortable, and visible throughout the ride. Its lightweight foldable frame makes storage effortless, while the internal safety buckle keeps your little companion secure. Compared to the K and H basket, it's more portable and multifunctional, though it does have a slightly lower 15.4-pound limit. The versatility, however, is unbeatable. You can bike, walk, and drive with just one carrier. For smaller pets and city riders, it's the ultimate all-rounder. So, what's your pick? All-in-one convenience or specialized strength? And that wraps up the list of the best cargo e-bikes for pet transport. All the links are in the description, so make sure to check them out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more gear breakdowns, and tell me in the comments, which of these would you trust for your next adventure with your pet?